Hey all! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna share a heart-shaped clay pendant tutorial. Please watch the full video and enjoy. First, draw the parts of the pendant on a paper, and cut it properly. Now take air-dry clay, and roll it evenly. Cut the air-dry clay according to the paper cutting. Attach the smaller part with the base. It will look like an envelope. Now attach an eye pin with the pendant. It will help the pendant to hang from the necklace. Make few tiny clay roses. It is super easy to make tiny clay roses. Please follow my technique. Attach all the tiny roses as I'm showing. It seems like an envelope full of roses, isn't it? It may be an excellent gift idea on Valentine's Day. You can also make fridge magnet, key ring, pin, phone tag or bag tag with it. Now color it as you want. You can follow my way to color also. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful clay jewelry making idea? Let me know in the comment box. Our aesthetic pendant is ready to wear now. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Love you all. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.